Hello and welcome back, folks. Whenever you make roast duck at home, you're going to find that a lot of the fat is rendered down. But rather than throwing it away, I like to keep some of it and store it in a jar because you can use it to make some sensational roast potatoes. Cooking potatoes in duck fat allows you to get crispier roast potatoes because you can turn up the temperature without it burning. Add some garlic and rosemary and you'll be in roast potato heaven. So, if you're ready to cook, let's go. Peel 1 pound of potatoes. I'm using red roosters here. Cut them into quarters, or about the size as shown here. Place them in a pan of water, add 1 teaspoon of salt and boil for 10 minutes. When you can easily stick a sharp knife into them, they're ready. Take them off the heat and drain the water. Return them into the pan and allow them to dry out for 10 minutes. Place a baking tray onto a hot stove. Add 4 tablespoons of duck fat into the tray and heat up. Place the potatoes into the hot duck fat. Add 2 chopped cloves of garlic and some chopped rosemary. Make sure to baste the potatoes really well in the duck fat and garlic. Cook the potatoes in an oven heated to 220 degrees Celsius for half an hour. After 30 minutes, remove from oven, turn the potatoes over and cook for a further 30 minutes. So that's how you make duck fat roast potatoes with garlic and rosemary. Thanks for watching, folks. Subscribe for some more great recipes and see you next time.